Good night, everyone. Tonight or today, whichever it is by you, we are going to download the latest tello app. Okay, we're going to the Play Store and you have to search tello FPV. There you will see a demo version, and on top you will see the paid version. On your device, this will have the amount of money for it, which is $5 and some cents will be for the app. Okay, you buy it and you put in your information, of course, and you buy it, and you will have that app. There will also be this app. I have the paid app, and inside of the paid app, for those who want to know, this is what it looks like. There's these different menus here, which the original tello app does not have. This is it. And this is the telemetry information down here, of course. The speed, the amount of meters away, the amount of meters up. This is the takeoff button, the amount of decibels your Wi-Fi is giving out, the drone battery, the device battery. And this is for if you have a remote, what the remote is saying. Information straight from the remote. That's on the bottom left here. When you press it, it turns into sport mode. In the top, that's by the camera. Just to take a photo, you press on the camera itself or the video to switch between or to toggle between the two, whether you want camera or you want video. This here is for the exposure, so you can click plus to add more brightness to your photo or video, and you press on the left to decrease, or you go back to auto, so that it will automatically do its thing as needed. This is for the panorama. So this is when you press this and it spins, take out 10 photos or more. This here, when you press this, it goes back to the home. So you start off and you fly away. So you fly 30 meters away, press this and it comes back to the starting point. This here is the point of focus. You go forward, you come back, you go up, you go down, you go left, you go right, you turn right, you turn left. This is for obstacle avoidance when you're going up a hill, up. So this is when you're going over, so that it knows you're going over it. This here is for the perspective. This here is for where you focus upon, your point of focus. These are your different settings here. We have the log, which tells you the date, which tells you the length of time, and this here is 1 flight, 2 flight, 3 flight. 2 on November 28th and 1 on the 27th. This and up here, of course, as stated, is all the different flights. This here is all of the records. In records, you have the max flight time, the max speed, max everything, right? So it's records. Max distance from home, and the max distance that is covered in in terms of the entire flight from start to end. So this is in total. We had 3 flights. We had a flight time of 10 in total, 10 minutes and 3 seconds. After which it landed in some bushes. Total distance covered is 81.3 meters. The time with inactive VPS. And that is basically the paid app. With the video that you see from your drone comes up on the entire screen. It covers this entire region here. Alright. All this here will be your video. So that is the app. I hope that you have a great time flying.